The number of times a person sneezes in a row can vary from individual to individual. While some people may sneeze only once, others may sneeze 2 or 3 times consecutively. The exact reason for multiple sneezes is not completely understood, but there are a few theories that attempt to explain this phenomenon. It is believed that when the initial irritation occurs, the body's response may be to continue the sneezing reflex until the irritant is completely cleared. Multiple sneezes could help ensure that the irritant is expelled more effectively. When the initial sneeze occurs, it can stimulate additional sensory nerves in the nasal passages, causing a chain reaction of sneezes. This reinforcement reflex may explain why some people sneeze multiple times in succession.